Hi friends, welcome to Willinrow Arts. I'm Lesley, and today I'm going to try my hand at a fan art contest. This contest is hosted by the YouTube artist 1000.
It's Tarsee time, baby! It's a contest!
He's an incredibly creative artist, and right now he's working on his own trading card game called Primalgard. He invited his community to design a guest artist card. The character he wants everybody to work on is Tarsee. She's a tarsier, which is like a teeny little monkey, and this creature lives in his jungle biome. She's super cute. She's a little mischievous and definitely a trickster, always sneaking around and stealing things from other characters. So I thought it would be fun to bring her to my own style. That might be a little different from what most people create, but I love working polymer clay, building sculptures, and creating mixed media dioramas. So this is the direction I'm going. So let's get started. I've got all kinds of stuff here. This I think will be my background. I've got my clay tools, stick, wire, flocking. I've got glass cabochons. Nothing left to do but get started and see if we can come up with something. We'll just have a little tin foil, just a little filler. This clay, mush it over here. Let's stick these eyes on. We always start off as an alien. Friends, I went through so many different versions of these eyes. I ended up going with a base coat of a copper color right on the clay. I painted directly on the clay. And then I added a pupil and a swirly design to the glass cabochons. Hypnotic vibes. Let's start blocking in the facial features. All my characters really start out looking like E.T. Let's get the body blocked out. I don't know if she's looking like a tarsier, but she's pretty funny looking in a cute, kind of funny looking way. It's really about having fun. When they're sitting on a branch, they look like this little roly-poly fur ball. She'll be sitting on it in some manner. I'll have to decide how I want it to be. She'll be kind of sitting on it looking out. This will be like her backside, and she'll be turned towards you. There's some really funny photos of these guys with smirks on their face. Added her to the tree branch, and then we're going to work the legs in and the arms. Let's do a little bit more blocking in. Okay, they look different in every photo. We'll just go with what we like. When you try to work fast, it's a little tricky. His video for fan art was just released, so by the time I saw it, I only had 2 days to make this, take pictures, and submit it. She's gonna have a long tail. So they seem to have kind of interesting tails. They kind of get wider at the bottom. I think she's pretty cute. So for this scene, we were given complete creative freedom to design Tarsee however we wanted. This is Tarsee's secret lair, and if anyone ever happens to stumble across it, she can hypnotize them with her eyes and make them forget they were even there. So inside her lair, she keeps everything she collected: charms, trinkets, treasures, weapons, everything she's found or stolen along the way. I made a tinfoil tree with a little hollow in it for one of the background trees. This is a place where she can store some of her things that she steals. I'm going to paper mache that and see if we can make it look like a tree. Water, glue, paper towel. Messy paper mache. Water and glue. Got some paint on my thing. You know what? We're going to have paint. Let's just go for it. Usually I would rip it up, but I'm being quick. So quick and easy paper mache. Hi friends, it's the next day here and I am going to start by working in the background. I just doodled some different things back there. Everything I think is going to be covered in the end. This is just in case something's peeking out, there'll be a little color in the background. It's kind of fun working in this time constraint because I just have to go for it. Got my hot glue gun going. Tons of foliage over here. Let's see. We've got leaves, sticks, fine foliage. We have clump foliage. We have vines. We have so many things. So she likes to steal things from others. I feel like she'd have a variety of things. I have some these costume jewelry type things, so I'm going to use that. I feel like she'd have things hanging from the trees. She's would have things sticking out of this hollow. Moss growing on the branches. Stuff she's collected over the years, so some of it's going to get tarnished. We'll work on that some more, but I think we're going to put it to the side for a minute. We're going to flock Tarsee. I'm going to hand paint. I have some army paints and some Vallejo paints, and we're going to start by giving her some undertones, and then we'll flock her. Her skin color is kind of a peachy color, and her fur is, I've seen gray, and I've seen browns and tans and different colors like that. Just want to manipulate the fur in some areas before it dries. I shaved down some pastels. I might add her in and just continue the flocking and whatnot in the box. I used the pastels to give her fur a little bit more shading, and I added some more trinkets in the background. She has a spear back there and different things like that. I'm really happy with how she turned out. She's definitely cute, and she really does look like a little monkey. Would I change a few things if I had more time? Probably, but honestly, this was just so much fun to make. I really enjoyed the challenge of creating something in a shorter amount of time. I want to say a big thank you to 1000 for putting together this fan art contest. I've seen so many amazing submissions on Instagram already, so I know he's going to have some really tough choices to make. I'm excited to see who he chooses. I want to thank you all for being here. I make mostly fantasy-inspired or whimsical art, and if that sounds good to you, please give a like and subscribe. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.